Beep time.
Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. This is not easy. This is not fun. This is not glamorous. This is not sexy. This is love in action. Doing good. In 2 minutes lasts a while. Good job. Done by.
No.
Now it's time to floss. They say you only need to floss once a day, but I disagree. I really think you should floss after every time you eat food. However, it's hard when you're at a restaurant. I believe that you should only use toothpaste twice a day, because it messes up the way that you taste food. Maybe it's just me. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. This is not fun. This is not glamorous. This is not sexy. This is real life. And our children don't have the ability to do certain things on their own. They don't know what's important yet, except to us. They don't know any better. You've got to be the one to constantly tell them what is. Good. Toothbrush.
Try.
Okay. Good job. Thank you. Very good.
Big